Now I'm going to the airport because I did get a call from the airport that my suitcase is there.
Hello, Mr. Peter. I am calling from Georgian Airlines.
Okay.
Regarding your bag. The thing is that we received your bag. The thing is that the customs has some questions to you, so the driver can't deliver the bag to you. You have to come to customs and show them what you have in your bag.
Yeah, okay, that's no problem. I can come and...
Okay.
Finally, it's there. I think they're going to be like, what are you going to do with so many drones inside of this in Georgia? Are you importing this stuff or what? I'm happy that I did not lose the suitcase because that would have been really disastrous. It's so much money. The fact that the suitcase is back, that is a big relief. And compared to this drone crashing, this is better and bigger news. Okay, I'm at the airport. Wish me luck, because I also want to talk about the costs. Hello, this is Peter. Hello. I'm at Lost and Found now. Hi, Peter.
Oh, we are so sorry for this event. It was a difficult situation.
It was a complete disaster. Here it is.
Please sign here that you received.
And what about the costs?
Yes, please take it. Take it. We have to go to check.
Yeah, here's another drone. Eh? So this is Akis for this drone, and this is also a drone. Yeah.
Why you need to?
I'm a professional.
Professional photographer. Yeah?
Yes.
Cool. I see this first time. So mostly we have this one here.
Yeah. It's true.
Which one is better, this or this?
Well, this one has 12 cameras, two here, two here, two here, two here, and two here, and at the bottom, and it makes a 3D map of everything that it sees. And then with the front camera, it follows you, and it calculates the route itself. You can just launch it, and you don't need to. There's no transmitter, and it flies by itself.
How
and it
will it? You need some GPS or some?
It has GPS, but and you can control it with your phone, but you just launch it and then.
Just with the phone, yeah.
Yeah. It's very cool machine. Yes.
ნახე ეს ის არის დოქში, ნახე როგორი არის ესეთი დრონია ესეც და ტელეფონზე აღენებოდა თანდაყოლვა რა თვითონ. 12 კამერა აქვს ვიდეოში და სადაც მიდიხარ თვითონ მოყოლა უკვე მომდეს. How much does it cost?
I paid like $3,000 for this and batteries.
Okay.
They opened the suitcase.
Where? This must be Lufthansa.
In Germany.
Over by yeah. Zollland.
They broke the lock. All right, thank you. Thank you.
Sorry again.
Yeah. So, but what are we going to do about the costs that I have to make?
I have sent you a message.
Sokolovskaya и Тихонова. Пройдите к 34-й.
With an email address?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So I send a message over there.
Yes, claims
Alright.
Georgian Airways.
Okay, I will do that.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Wow, I got my stuff back, guys. Oh, I think my suitcase has been all over Europe, but I got it back and that's really good. And now I'm going to drive to the village city where the participants are from the rally. I think it's like 3-4 hours driving, so should be able to make that in time. And then do a little test flight to see if everything is okay. And then I'm gonna slowly build up from there. You see this beautiful landscape again? Let's see what kind of trouble we can run into next. I arrived at my location, my Airbnb place. There is a lake out there. It's a beautiful setting sun. Look at the environment, beautiful. All right, and this is my house. It's lovely. I got this room, this living room. I got all the beds over here. I can choose which one I want to sleep. I even have a piano. And this is the kitchen. This is the kitchen. I can even sleep here, but these beds are too small for me. And there's a shower and toilet. A little bit simple, but it does the job. It's good. How nice is this? You know. And this is from a guy, and his aunt is living downstairs. And there's another area just like this. He locked it now. I could choose between this and this. And there are more beds, like four beds. Okay, and I can even launch the drone from here for a test flight. Good evening. Hello.
Where are your country?
Netherlands.
England.
Netherlands. It's between Germany and England.
Good.
Small country.
Welcome to my family.
Thank you very much. And I have a drone.
Ah, may I see?
You can come and stand over there. I film here and here, so you are filmed too.
Good.
Okay?
Yes.
So there's a drone, and it has a camera, and I can put the camera up. You see? And now it's filming here. So
Yes.
I'm gonna record. Everything is good.
Take off. Path has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Look, and now it's filming this, and I can go around.
Addy mode.
It says Addy mode, but not really. And this is your house. You see, and here we are. You can see.
Hello.
So this seems to be good. And let's see where we are. Everything around here, you see, and then I can have a look around like this. And the lake is over there.
Yes.
So let's fly to the lake.
What?
There it goes. You see? And this is beautiful Georgia.
Yeah, go. Go.
Yeah.
Kilometer? How?
Yeah, 5 kilometers.
5 kilometers. Yeah.
And this is hotel
Oh, yes. Oh.
and football field.
Yes.
And let's see at this hotel, because
Yes.
I think there's many old cars here. I don't know if this is the hotel where my group is staying, but it's possible. So let's have a look out here. No, I don't. Yeah, it is. Look, here is. You see? It's many old cars.
Yes.
Here. So I turn around here a little bit, like this, and I go up a little bit like this, and then I stop video recording and yeah, it's possible. I make a photo now. So now I make a photo. I think it's nice, and maybe go a little bit like this. Like this. I should film what I'm doing. Go back a little bit like this, and now you can see the cars. And now I'm gonna make a photo again, and then maybe go down a little bit, not too much because I will lose signal. Camera up a little bit like this and make a photo. Alright, and then I'm gonna fly back. So I'm gonna go up, put the camera up and fly away from here. Yeah, like this. Alright, for a test flight this is good enough, and now I go to my location again, and then anytime we will see it. I think the house is here. I can see my car. You can see the house here. Yeah. You can hear it. Yeah.
Nice, beautiful, yes?
It's very beautiful, eh?
Nice.
So now I'm gonna land.
I can sit down, see?
No, I will just look. I'm gonna land here besides the car. I can see exactly where it's going. You see?
Oh, very beautiful.
Hopla!
Sit down.
We say high five. Huh? It's good. All right, guys, I hope you like my adventures. I think everything is okay now, and we're going to be ready for tomorrow. We're going to go to a beautiful location. We will see what the rest of this trip will bring. Like, subscribe, comment, share.
Please,
see you on the next video.
Please, may I go?
Yeah, sure, go ahead. No problem. It's your house. Huh?
No, you. Now you.
Ah.
You, now you.